Can we transfer our records into SciNote if we work in a regulated environment? The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and European Union, EU, have prepared guidelines for life science laboratories. These define what tools are required by the software to enable employment of procedures and controls designed to ensure the authenticity, integrity, and, as appropriate, the confidentiality of electronic records from their creation to the point of their receipt. SciNote offers the tools that comply to these set of measures. The video tutorials will cover electronic signatures, audit trail, and system log. SciNote securely stores your data. For more information on how your data is stored, please download your data protection white paper. The link is in the description. If you'd like to learn more about meeting the compliance requirements, please visit SciNote's webpage. I've left the link to our solutions page in the description below.